Good morning. Thanks for checking in on the Clinton County COVID-19 daily briefing. I'm Eric Day, Director of Clinton County Emergency Services, and just one member of a much larger team, an even larger group of partner agencies working in the county on the COVID-19 response. To start off today, I'd like to share a brief update of the impact numbers in our county this morning. Lab confirmed positives, we're still at 48. Lab confirmed recovered, we are at 31 individuals. Those are good numbers. Total tested to date in Clinton County, 443. Total number of deceased is still at 3. We also have 41 suspect cases that we are tracking, with 25 of those suspect cases having recovered. Next, I'd like to take a moment to discuss the Governor's Executive Order 202.16 issued a couple days ago and a few of its implications. Starting this evening, at 8 p.m., the order requires essential business employers to provide their employees, those that have and work with direct interaction with the public, to wear face coverings of some type. Direct interaction means being close to somebody or getting within that 6-foot social distance barrier that we keep talking about. So actually serving somebody at a restaurant takeout counter, or coming to your car and providing goods at your vehicle. If those employees are within 6 feet of the general public, they're now required to wear a mask as of 8 o'clock tonight, Wednesday the 15th. We at the county want to reinforce, however, our Director of Public Health, John Canoza's concern is that everybody understands that this new order, although providing some protection, is in no way a means or shall be a thought to take place of the social distancing policies, and staying 6 feet away from folks, continuing to stay at home, continuing to isolate, and following those social distancing policies and guidelines when you absolutely have to go out. The mask will protect, hopefully, prevent some of the spread between workers and those that they may come close to when they have to go out. So social distancing guidelines still apply and are still the best way of preventing COVID-19 spread. Another of the governor's executive orders that was put in place, to me what seems like a month ago now, however it was only 9 days ago, is one that's was called New York State on Pause. Pause standing for Policies Ensure Uniform Safety of Everyone. The New York State Pause Order included a number of things, but the ability of citizens to report violations of the requirements in the Pause Order, that one of them permitting only essential businesses to operate, and another to limit social gatherings. So the New York State Pause website has a link for individuals to register complaints or concerns about possible violations. I'd like to let you know that the IMT staff at the Emergency Operations Center here, our incident management team staff, receive these complaints on a daily basis, and locally we're working closely with code enforcement officers in the city and the towns and villages to respond to businesses where we've received complaints, and also local law enforcement to follow up on personal gatherings. I'm proud to say that in the 9 days that this pause order has been in place and that we've been receiving concerns or complaints, that we've actually only received 20 of them so far. 20 is a small number. However, in this situation, with the ability of COVID-19 to infect anybody at any time from anywhere, 20 is still too many. Some of those cases have been unfounded and may not have been actually true, or the situation may have taken care of itself very quickly. Others have been situations where code enforcement or law enforcement have had to deal with potentially non-essential businesses in place and working. What we're asking folks to do at this point, if you're a business operator in the general public, take a look at the New York State Pause website. If you simply Google NYS Pause, it will come up as probably the first hit on Google. Take a look at that and be sure that you're up to date on what an essential business is, and if you operate a business, whether your business is able to be open or should be open at this time. Lastly, as I've done on previous media release opportunities, I just want to take a moment to advise everybody out in the public that our county's 911, fire, EMS, and police emergency services are up and operational and remain ready in the county. The men and women that work and volunteer for the many agencies that make up our law enforcement, police, fire, and EMS community are healthy and responding to COVID-19 issues as well as everyday incidents as they arise. Thank you very much and have a good day.